felt bloated or gassy and wondered what on earth is going on? This discomfort is a common problem known as gas and bloating, caused by the accumulation of gas in your digestive system. It's often the result of swallowed air or the breakdown of certain foods by your body's natural processes. This can disrupt your daily life, making even simple tasks seem daunting. But worry not. Today, we're sharing 3 proven remedies to help you combat this common problem. First on our list, hydration. Now you might be wondering, how does water help with gas and bloating? Well, it's simple. Hydration aids digestion and helps your body break down food more efficiently, preventing gas. It also helps keep your gut healthy and happy. So, how can you ensure you're drinking enough water? Start your day with a glass of water before anything else. Carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day to remind yourself to drink. You could also incorporate water-rich foods into your diet like cucumbers and watermelon. Remember, hydration isn't just about quenching your thirst. It's a key player in maintaining a healthy body and combating issues like gas and bloating. Remember, hydration is crucial not just for combating gas but for overall health. Next up is making some simple dietary changes. Certain foods are known to cause gas and bloating. These include beans, lentils, broccoli, cabbage, onions, and carbonated drinks. It's not about eliminating these completely, but about moderation. On the other hand, a diet that includes green tea, fatty meat, yogurt, berries, cucumbers, and avocados, for example, can help prevent bloating. Start by reducing your intake of gas-causing foods gradually and increase your consumption of water-rich foods. Perhaps swap out that soda for a glass of water or replace the beans in your salad with some grilled chicken. Remember, small changes to what you eat can make a big difference to how you feel. Our third remedy is regular exercise. Now, it may sound unconventional, but physical activity plays a crucial role in reducing gas and bloating. When we move, we're not just working our muscles, we're also stimulating our digestive system, encouraging it to do its job more efficiently. And the beauty of it is, you don't need to become a gym rat overnight. Start with small steps: a brisk walk after meals, a quick yoga session in the morning, or even some light stretching throughout the day. These simple activities can work wonders in keeping your digestive system happy. As a bonus, they also contribute to a healthier lifestyle overall. So get moving, and you'll likely see improvements not just in your digestion but in your overall well-being. And there you have it, 3 simple remedies for gas and bloating. Remember, hydration, dietary changes, and regular exercise can make a world of difference. Consistency is key. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Stay healthy.